Hey, we are about to do a guess game in Python using Python. So, what's this guess game all about? You'll be learning how to guess the lucky number in this game. Yeah, so how to code that in a very simple style in Python. Okay, so guess the lucky number game. There you go. So the first line of code, what you want to define here. So the lucky number. So the lucky number I want to define as the number 7. Lucky short for number equals 7. So that's going to be my secret lucky number and I want you to guess it, right? Okay, so lucky number 7, then the guess number. So as of now, we keep it as an empty string because nobody has been able to guess it yet. So guess number as an empty string as of now. Then the guess limit is going to be 10. Why? Because you are allowed to keep guessing until a count of 10. So 10 counts 10 times. So I keep the maximum limit as 10. So until 10 guesses you can do, after that, no more. Guess count. So the guess count will start from the 0 level itself, and then as it goes on, increasing by 1. So 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, then again 2 plus 1. So it keeps on increasing until it reaches the level or limit of 10. So that's the idea. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So I'll be doing more such games and more such tutorials for beginners in Python in very simple coding style, and that will be available from now onwards until for a couple of months. So if you've not yet subscribed, do remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay. So guess count 0, done already. Then out of guesses. So out of guesses, I keep it false here. So why do I keep it false? Because as of now, if I keep the out of guesses true means then the game hasn't started. We cannot say that, right? So the game is starting. I keep the out of guesses as false because we haven't even started guessing, right? Okay. So now, what is it, the condition that we have to keep in mind while sorry, I was blocking the screen, haha. So out of guesses false, then while the guess number is not equal to the lucky number. Yeah, so that means the guess number has not become the lucky number yet. It's not yet true. That means the lucky number is not yet the guess number. The guess number is not yet the lucky number, as long as it is not guessed right, and as long as you are not out of the guesses. That means out of guesses means not yet reached the 10 guesses. In that condition, if under that condition, I repeat, if the guess count is less than the guess limit, that is anything which is less than 10. The guess limit is 10, right? So as long as when you're counting, if the guess count is less than the guess limit of 10, under this condition, so what will be the guess number? Something will be there, right? So input, enter the guess number. So that's the thing. So as long as, remember, you're not out of the guesses and it is less than the guess limit, guess count, then you will say input, the guess number will be input, enter the guess number. And when that happens, you can input the guess number, and you're allowed to do that until the given conditions above. So that's the game. Yeah, so you'll see how it is implementing once we go to the output screen in the console. So keep this in mind. I hope until now it's clear, and keep watching until the end so that you get it right. Yeah, okay. So here, as I mentioned earlier, guess count will be plus equal to 1 means every time it will be increasing by a count of 1. Yeah, so if guess count initially is 0, then 0 plus 1, then again 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 2 plus 1. So it will keep on increasing until it reaches the maximum limit of 10. That's the idea. And once you finish your limit of 10 and reach your 11th limit, yeah, then you will not win the game. You will not be allowed to proceed further. That's the idea. So first condition done when you input the guess number, and then guess count is keeping on increasing by 1. So then the other condition would be, in case your out of guesses is true, that means you already reached the limit of the guess count, and out of guesses, that means you've already done all those counts and then still you couldn't guess it right. So out of guesses is true, which means right. If in that scenario, if out of guesses, yeah, that means you are totally out of the guesses, right? So then you would print out of guesses, you lose. Yeah, because once you're out of the guesses, you cannot proceed any further, so you have to lose. There's no choice. Yeah, so this is how you decide whether you lose or win. So that means you can only win under those two conditions, that you're not out of the guess counts. So within that limit, before you reach the limit of 10, you have to guess it correctly. So here, let's see the guess number, enter the guess number. This is in the previous case when everything is right. That means you are still given the choice of entering the numbers within the count, guess count. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, there you go. Okay. I have to leave a bit of space so that it doesn't hinder. Okay. Let's see if everything is okay. Okay. So enter the guess number. So I'm just showing you different numbers, different choices, so that you know what's happening. So I enter 5, 2. I keep on doing because I haven't hit the lucky number of 7. Guess number, not guessed it right yet. So I keep on doing 5, 2, 1, 4, 6. Let's say what you want to do next, 3, whatever. I'm just showing it. 8, purposely guessing it wrong so that you know what's happening. 9, yeah, and then maybe 10, 20, whatever. As long as I don't hit the right number, just showing different scenarios of right and wrong and what's happening here. So now, okay, finally within that count of 10, I entered the correct number 7, so you win. So that one is correct under the first condition. Yeah, then I show you another scenario. Okay, so guess number 11 and then 12. Okay, still I have not hit the lucky number 7. Then again 10. Then again 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 choices already given 4 times. Then 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times, out of guesses. So I finished the 10 times, but I still couldn't guess it right. So out of guesses, you lose. That's it. Then enter the guess. So the first time itself, I write the correct number, 7, the lucky number. So first time itself, you win. So this is how it goes. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button as well. So I hope you understood. If you didn't, do remember.